Hello everyone. Today I got this 2022 Hyundai Palisade. I'm going to show you how I am going to install a dash cam to this Palisade. So the dash cam that I'm using today is a Viofo A129 dash cam, and along with that I'm going to use this SanDisk high endurance card. So the reason to use this high endurance card is this is going to work better on cold winter days and hot summer days. So this is going to perform better than a regular micro SD card. So let's unbox this and do the install. So first let me show you what I'm going to do with the wiring. Let's get into the car. Right, this is the interior. So I'm going to install the dash cam somewhere here, route the wire along this line, around this, go down to the carpet and install to that 12 volts outlet. So that's the plan. We'll see. Alright, let me do a quick unboxing. So this is Viofo A129 Pro Duo. Duo is for two dash cams, one for the front, one for the rear. So we have two dash cams inside. This is the front camera, and this is the rear camera. And we have two sets of wiring. This is for the rear camera. Connect to rear camera. It's all labeled. And here we have the front camera cable. So we have the cable along with the 12 volt socket with two USBs, and you can organize the wiring with these clips. And you also have a data transfer cable like this, and they also provide a trim removal tool to put the cables inside on the plastic, so you can use this tool. And here's the micro SD card that I'm going to use. So let me install the micro SD card. Just insert it to the SD card slot like this. So let's format the SD card. So pick right hand button, press OK. You can go to settings on the leftmost button. You stop the recording first. Click on the menu button. You can use the rec and mic button to go to different modes. So I have installed the camera right here. So let me do the wiring. I'm going to go around this headliner. So this is how I route the front camera wiring along this line, through here, behind this door beading, and under the carpet to the 12 volts outlet. So let's see how we can install the rear camera. Alright, so you can see I have installed both the cameras. So this is the rear camera and this is the front camera. So front camera wiring goes along this line, along the side pillar, under the carpet and goes to the 12 volt outlet right there, and the rear camera goes on the driver's side along the top roof line along there and goes to the back. Let me show you the camera. So the wiring comes along this roof line, along this rubber beading, wire comes out here, the camera connects to the glass like that. So there's the camera.